Phonological awareness is an important part of becoming a balanced reader. Students need to have an explicit knowledge of sound letter knowledge. The PM Sounds and Words books embed phonological awareness in a meaningful context, in a PM context, ensuring that decoding skills aren't taught in isolation. The teacher refers to the Short Vowels Big Book, which focuses on the A sound with a change of onset. Watch the techniques the teacher uses to focus on the short A sound.
Okay, today we're going to have a look at the short A sound in cat. So in cat we have k, a, t. Can you do that with me? K, a, t. And do it on your own?
K, a, t.
Fantastic. So k, a, t. We're going to have a look at some other words that have this short A sound in it. So here we've got these sounds broken up just like you did. Can you do that again for me?
K, a, t.
Beautiful. And what's the word?
Cat.
Okay. Ooh. Here's another one. B, a, t. Bat. What do we have? A, mat. And?
Hat.
Fantastic. Okay. What sound is this saying in this word? Ah. Here we have kitty cat. All right, say the sounds.
K, t.
And put it together. What does it say?
Cat.
Okay.
Here
Here
comes kitty cat.
comes kitty cat. And we have bat. Jack said, here is the bat. Mat. The mat is by the door. And hat. Where is my hat? Said Jolly Roger.
It's on his head.
Yeah.
After the big book has been used, the teacher may hand out a little book to every student. In this video, the students refer to the cat book and further practice the short vowel sound.